Hello, my name is Belda. Today I read for you the Ugly Duckling. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Mother duck was swimming with her ducklings in the lake. All of them liked swimming. The ducklings were happily playing with each other, but one of the ducklings was not that much happy like the others. Because he was different than the others. He did not join any game because of his difference. Mother duck saw the situation and was very upset. "You are not one of us. Go away," the duckling said with one voice and tried to stay away from Ugly Duckling. It was enough for Ugly Duckling. He felt himself very bad. At such times, he wanted to go away quickly. "If there is no one with me, there will no be one to tease me," he thought himself. One day when he was away again, the duckling went to an old woman's house. As soon the old woman saw him, she put him in a cup. She thought Ugly Duckling was a chicken. Next day, when she saw that he did not lay eggs, she became very angry. She chased Ugly Duckling to reeds with a broom. Days passed quickly. There were weeks. Cold winter days came. While Ugly Duckling was wandering in the frozen reeds, she saw beautiful swans in the sky. They were going to the hotter places because winter was coming. "I wish I could be like them," Ugly Duckling said enormously. It was hard to live alone in winter. There was no food or a home. While Ugly Duckling's hopes were shattered, a fireman appeared. He took Ugly Duckling to his cottage. Ugly Duckling spent the winter very easily. There was warm home and food. He could not believe now. He was a tall and beautiful white bird. He swiftly flew away and landed on another lake. Once again, he saw that beautiful white bird. Once he looked at his reflection. He did not know what to do. He was just looking at himself while other swans surrounded him. Their voices distracted Ugly Duckling. One of the swans said, "You are one of our cousins." Dr. Duckling did not know what to say. A dream came true. Now he was a beautiful swan. Today, Dr. Duckling, Ugly Swan is finished. Next time, see you later. Bye.